Hi, I'm Tom Scott. I'm a product manager at Modality Systems and I look after our CreateTeam application. CreateTeam is a Teams application that we've developed that sits as part of our Teamwork Analytics family. It controls how people create new teams within Microsoft Teams and allows us to control things like the naming conventions, how many owners and members are in those teams, so that they apply with governance, best practices, compliance, and really ensure that people get off to the right start using Teams within Microsoft Teams. So the main benefits of CreateTeam are that it prevents sprawl within Microsoft Teams. Sprawl is where anyone can go and create a team and then you get lots and lots of unnecessary and duplicate teams created. With CreateTeam we can show where duplicate teams exist and then also suggest similar sounding teams to the one being created to users to hopefully prevent this from happening. With CreateTeam we look to control the guest access within Teams. So guests within your 365 tenant are users outside of your organisation that can be added to Teams and work alongside people within your organisation. Whilst this is great for collaboration, then obviously there's some compliance and regulatory elements that need to be considered. And with CreateTeam we can control who can create teams that can have guests in them, so that you can really restrict that down and not expose it to everybody. Within CreateTeam we're building in the functionality to have templated teams. That means that you can apply and select a template that's predefined by modality, or you can customize it to however you'd like that team to be set up, and then when someone selects that team, when it's built, all of those settings are pre-populated for them. That includes channels, apps, but crucially we look at the security settings on that as well. So looking at access to files for external people, so that you can be sure that if it's a team that you want to ensure is locked down, you know that when it's created, everything in that team will have those sensitivity labels applied to them.